Ciao, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco, and in this video I want to talk about a little trick to make your masters pop out more the speakers. So it's all about distortion, and I know that distortion might sound like a no-no in mastering, but if you deal with it correctly, it's a very nice touch. So let's dive into it. This is a track I've been mixing and mastering.
Dai, ma chi è che scassa la minchia a quest'ora? Drink, drink, chi è che chiama? Soldi oppure fama? C'è chi brama, c'è chi infama. Sbirridi parte come in Alabama.
Okay, so this is the main idea. So let's see how I managed to mix and master with distortion this track. So I made this parallel processing rack with Console 7 Cascade, and Console 7 Cascade is a plugin you can find for free on this website, which is Air Windows, and it's as simple as clicking on this link and you get the zip file with the VST and maybe the audio unit too. So this is how it looks. Maybe if you have Logic or other DAW, you have the GUI window. There isn't a GUI window for Ableton, but you have the control here, and it's just one fader. So it's this one, and what it does is this.
C'è chi brama, c'è chi infama. Sbirridi parte come in Alabama. C'è fa drink, drink, ma chi è che chiama? È la mia dama, l'invito a casa, le apro in pigiama. Inizio settimana, fine trama,
So it's basically a drive fader, and as we can see here, it explains how it works, and the difference is that this uses 5 gain stages of the same processing in the Console 7 channel, which is another plugin that this guy has made. So how I deal with it? Let's delete this. Let's turn on this one. So the difference in how it sounds is this.
Drink, drink, chi è che chiama? Soldi oppure fama? C'è chi brama, c'è chi infama. Sbirridi. Drink, drink, chi è che chiama?
So this is the dry master.
Drink, drink, chi è che chiama? Soldi oppure fama? C'è chi brama, c'è chi infama. Sbirridi parte come in Alabama.
And we have some audible, some really noticeable distortion and crunch, and that doesn't sound any good if we leave it like that. But I mixed it at minus 30 decibel, and so this is the difference.
Drink, drink, chi è che chiama? Soldi oppure fama? C'è chi brama, c'è chi infama. Sbirridi parte come in Alabama. Il ciel fa drink, drink, ma chi è che chiama? È la mia dama, l'invito a casa.
This is not a night and day difference, but I mean, it makes like probably the 5 to 10% of the sound of the whole mastering chain, at least to me. And the main challenge with such a simple but destructive processing is nailing the right amount of drive on the plugin and also dialing in the right level for the parallel channel. So I was between minus 24 and minus 30. Let's see how it sounds.
Drink, drink, chi è che chiama? Soldi oppure fama? C'è chi brama, c'è chi infama. Sbirridi parte come in Alabama. Il ciel fa drink, drink, ma chi è che chiama? È la mia dama, l'invito a casa, le apro in pigiama. Inizio
Probably it might not sound like a huge difference to you right now, but overdoing this technique can really make the master mid-rangey and also distorted, especially when you crank up the volume on your headphones or when you listen to it on speakers or in the car. Those are all problems that come out and make the master ear fatiguing to listen to, even if the listener doesn't even know what was going on the mastering chain. But to me, it's definitely worth it, at least just a touch of it, because it makes everything in your face fuller, just better. So it's up to you whether to use the Console 7 Cascade or any other type of distortion plugin. Use whatever works, whatever sounds best, whatever you have, whatever you can afford. And the Console 7 Cascade works for me, and it's also free and easy to use. It's like just one fader. So this is it for this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and see you in the next one.